What advice would you have for people in their 50s? We're both in our 50s. And rarely do I meet somebody that feels as good as I do. Like, I have the energy of 10 men. So to feel like that, what advice would you give somebody in their 50s that might have been in the same position that you were?
I agree with you. And the truth of the matter is, the people that are watching this right now, they definitely have some of these problems that I had, or all of these problems that I had. And you start to get to a place where there's like no hope. Wait a minute, you're saying that for the rest of my life, I have to put this CPAP machine on so that I can sleep at night? That's the answer to this?
Dude, I remember how frustrated you were with that thing.
Yeah, I wouldn't, listen, I was at a place where I'd rather die than put that thing on and try to sleep with that thing. I'd sleep for 35 minutes and then end up ripping it off in the middle of the night. I'm like, this is it? Then I'm out. I don't even want to deal with this. And I know some people also who have learned to adjust to it. You don't have to. You know what I mean? Like I said, I get nothing out of this. I am doing this as almost like a pay it forward type thing. For so many years. Plus, I'm one of those guys that probably most of the guys that would see this is, you're stubborn. And you're like, I'm fine. I'll this, that, and I'll power through it and all this other shit. No, you won't. No, you won't.
Yeah.
And what's going to end up happening is the medicines are just going to start to stack up. And before you know it, you're going to be on 14 pills with 10 different side effects from each one of them, and you just feel like complete shit, and you're not living, the healthy, amazing life that you can. I'm not kidding you. Like he said, I jump out of bed every day ready to kick today's ass, and I feel great, and I love it. And this guy is the real deal. I would recommend him to anybody. I had him literally save my mother-in-law's life, a couple of my friends, and many other people that that he's working with and helping right now. It's real. It's legit. I don't care how old you are. You can be 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This guy will change your life.